in this video, I'll show you how to adjust the volume on your Beats Solo Buds. There's actually 3 different ways on how you can do this, and I'll show you all of them. So let's get started right away. This works with Android, iPhone, but also with your computer. So the first thing you can do to change the volume up and down is to actually use your device buttons, volume buttons. Usually it's on the side for the iPhone and Android, and simply click, and this will increase and lower the volume. This is method number 1. Method number 2, you can actually use the earbuds themselves, the buttons that are on each earbuds, because each earbuds has a buttons when you press over there. But this feature is not activated once you buy them. You need to do it manually to activate this feature on your iPhone or Android smartphone. So I'll show you how to do it. On Android, you need to download the Beats app. Okay, so you need to go in on the app on the Google Play Store. You see Beats, you absolutely need to download this. Open the app, and these should be paired already. Then go down, and over here you see voice assistant and volume. Press on this option, and over here volume control should be turned on. If it was turned off like this, press on it until it's green. And now when you have them in your ears, every time you're gonna keep press the button here on the left side earbud, the volume will go down, and every time you'll do the same thing, but on the right side earbud, the volume will go up. So you won't have to take your phone out of your pocket simply by enabling this feature. On the iPhone, you simply need to open the settings of your iPhone, and above everything, you should see your Beats over here in this menu. Click on them. Then go down, and you should see press and hold. Same thing, press, make sure that volume control is turned on, and you'll be able to use this very amazing feature. If you do not want to use this, but prefer using Siri, well, you need to turn off this feature, and then it will be switched to Siri. So once you have them in your ear, you simply need to say, "Hey Siri, lower the volume." And Siri will hear this and will lower the volume of your Beats Solo Buds. Some people prefer this since they don't even have to touch them. Everything is done by voice. So you have 3 different ways on how you can lower and actually increase the volume of these earbuds. I hope this was useful. If I have another way on how to do this, please type a comment down below. If these worked for you, type a comment as well. Always happy to read them, and I'll see you in the next video.